Over 3 decades of telling the stories of particularly Jamaican music, making sure to help with the documentation of who we are as a culture, of who we are as a music country, influencing so many genres, actually birthing so many genres and continuing to impact the world. We're a part of every music mix that there is out there. And as I tell the stories, I look and I see that sometimes there's a little bit more that we can do, and that only happens through education. And so the Island Music Conference, which happens on February 8th through 12 in Kingston, Jamaica, happening at our host hotel, Jamaica Pegasus, and also our partner hotel, the AC Hotel, and utilizing parts of New Kingston and other hotels around the New Kingston area, and ensuring that fashion is a part of it, that syncing is a part of it, ensuring that the very makeup artist that help complete the journey, the performance is looked at, the songwriting technique is looked at. Everything is discussed. We have over 15 panels ranging from contracts, ranging from looking at the DSPs and what's their strategy, how to monetize post-pandemic. We're having every discussion with you that you need to have. And we're speaking about artist managers. We're speaking about the booking agencies. We're also speaking to the attorneys. We've even gone as far as to invite Dr. Shane Jackson out of Michigan, who will come and speak to the food that you need in order to be your best artist. With all of this, you could not afford to miss the Island Music Conference. Again, February 8th through 12th, Kingston, Jamaica. Be there, have your questions prepared. We want to speak to our young artists. Go online to islandmusicconference.com, or you can check us out on IG, but get the information. Register Island Music Conference, February 8th through 12th, 2023. If you are in music, if you are about music, if you're smart, you're gonna make it there.